Hey y'all, I'm Mandy. Today's video is going to be a little different. It is a cleaning video, but it's cleaning after we arrived home from a mini vacation. Normally before we leave on a vacation, I make sure the house is spotless so that when we return home, it's really easy to kind of just come in and relax. Unfortunately, this was a very last minute trip, so I didn't have time to pick up the house before we left. So not only do I have all of these bags and things to unpack, laundry to do, all of that, the house is kind of a wreck as well. And I don't know about you, but I cannot stand to come home and not have everything like normal. So I have to run around like a crazy person and unpack and start laundry and get everything back to normal so that we can relax. I cannot relax if there are suitcases still to be unpacked, laundry still to be done. Like it's just on my brain and I can't relax. Comment below if that's you. You'll notice my son is here taking out the trash. He does that and he helps bring me a little more laundry and helps around the house a little bit, and then he goes outside to help his dad. When we pulled into the driveway, we realized just how bad our yard looked, so my husband started on the yard as soon as we got home.
So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here, 'cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Sitting in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Sitting in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
We had only been gone for 2 days, but my cat was so upset. So she was very needy this afternoon and I had to keep stopping and loving on her.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from?
So in this table, I noticed there was a lot of glitter, red glitter, like almost like Christmas time. Could not figure out where it came from. I asked my son about it. He came and looked. He had no idea. I'd never seen it before. So I went and got the vacuum and vacuumed all of the glitter out of this table.
All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from?
Thank you for watching today. Give this video a thumbs up if it gives you a little bit of motivation to get something done that you've been dreading. This is definitely not something fun that I look forward to when we come home, but I do look forward to resting afterwards and not having anything else to do. I hope you guys have a great day.